we are going to discuss today. It's from the Cambridge Admit book. So the questions you are seeing, it is from exercise 15.1, 15.1. All the questions relevant with the integration. We know the basic integration rule. If it is written there x to the power n dx, it would be x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. We are going to apply this formula here. If you don't know the basic rule of the integration, please on the top right button click the basic integrations from my previous video, make it clear. So the curve equation is given dy by dx. They're asking to find the equation of the curve. That is the question, the first question written here. And here the question pattern, question number 4, question number 5, see, find the equation of the curve. Question number 6, find the equation of the curve. Question number 7 as well, find the equation of the curve, is the same style. But the equation expression is different. First one is a simple equation. We need to make all the equations like that, the question number 4. Simple equation. Let me start from the question number 5. It is written here 6, so make it simplify. 6x squared minus 6x. If you multiply, remove the bracket, then you can write this one, the expression like this: dy equals to 6x squared minus 6x, because this is dy by dx given. Take dy on the right side, dx on the right side, and make integration on the both side. Then we got from here y equals to, which is 6x cubed by 3 minus 6x squared divided by 2 plus c. Our target is to find out the c value from here. If we make it more simpler form, it gives us 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus c, y equals to point given here 1 and minus 5. The first value stands for the x, second value for y. Put this value in this expression, then it becomes minus 5 equals to 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus c. So we got from here minus 5 equals to 2 minus 3 plus c, which is minus 5 plus 1 equals to c. So our c value, we can write minus 4. Therefore, just write this expression. This is our equation expression by putting the value of c. Y equals to 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 4 is our equation of the curve for this question. So let me make boundary here. Let's see the question number 6 from here. It is written here that expression we need to simplify first, which is 2x cubed divided by x squared plus 6 by x squared. Then we can write the expression 2x plus 6 x to the power minus 2. Now apply integration on the both side. Then we can write here y equals to, apply the integration, which is 2x plus 6x to the power minus 2 dx. So apply the integration, it gives us to x square divided by 2 minus 6 x to the power minus 1, because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, divided by minus 1 plus c. Here it was written with the plus 6. So final equation is x square minus 6 by x, because according to the rule of indices we can write like this: y equals to that expression. Now minus 1 and 10 we're going to put here to get the value of c. Y value is 10 given and x value is minus 1. Let you put here minus 1 whole square minus 6 divided by minus 1 plus c. So 10 equals to 1 plus 6 plus c. From here you can write c equals to 10 minus 7, which is 3. So our final equation from here you can write, just putting the value of x c there. So it is y equals to x square minus 6 by x plus 3, our equation of the curve for this question. We need to apply here the formula a minus b whole square, which gives us a square minus 2ab plus b square. If we applied here, then it would be 2 square is 4 minus 2ab means 2 into 2 is, which is 4 root x, and root x whole square, it gives us x, divided by root x as a denominator. Then we can write the expression 4 by root x minus 4 root x divided by root x plus x by root x. So finally from there you can write it 4 x to the power minus half, then minus 4 plus x to the power half. 1 minus half is half. Now we're going to integrate this one to integrate. So then we can write the expression y equals to let you integrate, which is 4 x to the power minus half plus 1 is half divided by half, and from here minus 4x plus x to the power half plus 1, which is 3 by 2, and its bottom is also 3 by 2 plus c. So the expression is 8x to the power half minus 4x plus 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2, because as a denominator written there 3 by 2, if we take it up then it makes it reciprocal. So now put the value x and y, which is x equals to 9, whereas the y value we're going to put here the 14. So put the value x and y. 14 equals to 8, which is 9 to the power half, then 4 into 9, then plus 2 by 3, 9 to the power 3 by 2 plus c. Now our target to find out the value of c from here. You can use calculator. 8 3 is that 24 is here, we got from here, minus 36 plus 2 by 3 into 9 to the power 3 by 2 is 3 cube is 27 plus c. If you calculate with the calculator from here, I think you would get from here c equals to 8. Now this value we are going to put that equation, and this is our equation, final equation, by putting the value of c here. So y equals to, you can write it 8 x to the power half, then the next part is minus 4x plus 2 by 3 x to the power 3 by 2 plus 8, and this is our final answer of this question. I hope guys you understood this question how we did. If you get any problem or any mistakes or any easier way, you may comment on the description below. Number 8, it is written here dy by dx kx square minus twice x. Like before, we can do it by integration. Y equals to, apply integration on the right side, it would be kx cubed by 3 kx cubed by 3 minus 2x square by 2 plus c, we can write. So the final expression equals to kx cubed divided by 3 minus x square plus c. Now our target 2. Here there is a 2 unknown k and c, so there are 2 points given here. We may get 2 equation to get the value of k and c. Let me put the value of x and y, where the y value is 6 and it is given there, x value is 1, so 1 cube divided by 3 minus 1 square plus c. So 6 equals to k by 3 minus 1 plus c. So finally you can write 7 by k by 3 plus c. This is our equation number 1. If we put here the value minus 2 and minus 15, then it becomes minus 15 equals to k into minus 2 whole cube divided by 3 minus minus 2 whole square plus c. So it is minus 15 equals to -8 minus 8k by minus 8k by 3 minus 4 plus c. So if we add, it is minus 11 minus equals to minus 8k by 3 on the right side plus c. Take 4 on the left side, then you can write like this. So it is actually minus 11 equals to minus 8k by 3. So we can write here equation number 2. Now equate c, make c as a subject from here, then you can write it c equals to 7 minus k by 3, and if we make c as a subject from that expression, you can write c equals to 8 by k, 8 by 3 minus 11. Now equate this to c, then you can write 8k by 3 minus 11 equals to 7 minus k by 3. Now it's simple equation to solve. Plus k by 3 equals to 11 plus 7, which is 18. So 9k by 3, which is 3k, equals to 18. So k value, we got 6 from there. This is our value of k. So use this value of k in either equation to get the value of c. C equals to 7 minus k equals to 6 by 3. So 7 minus 2, which is 5, our value of c. Now we are going to put, because they ask you find the equation of the curve. So therefore you can write the equation of the curve by putting the value of k and c in the main equation. This is our main part of the equation. By putting the value of k and c, we can write it y equals to k value we got from here 6, which is 6x cubed divided by 2, then minus x square, and c value we got plus 5. So we need to write one more line, which is y equals to, we can cut out 3, which is 3x cubed minus x square plus 5, and this is our equation of this question. It's time to now showing you the question number 9. It is having with the d square over dx square and gradient of the curve at the point this one. We know that gradient means dy by dx. We needed to find out the dy by dx formula. So integrate that part gives you the dy by dx. If we integrate it one time, then we got from there dy by dx on the 12x minus 12 with respect to dx if we integrate. So it gives us 12x square divided by 2 minus 12x plus c. So if we simplify, then from there 6x square minus 12x plus c, our expression of dy by dx. It is given that dy by dx at the point dy by dx, if you put the x value is 2, gradient is 8. This is the value of the value dy by dx. So 8 equals to dy by dx value at the point x equals to 2. 6 into 2 square minus 12 into 2 plus c. So you got 8 into 4, 24, minus 24 plus c. So you can cut this to c. We got from here 8. So our expression of the gradient, we can write dy by dx, which is 6x square minus 12x plus 8. So this is our dy by dx expression, but the question is express y in terms of x. We need to integrate it again, so we can write it 6 x cubed divided by 3, second time integration, 12 x square by 2 plus 8x plus c. Again we are going to write, but we also can write another constant, say, because we wrote one time c, we can write here the k as a constant. Okay, now write the expression y equals to, which is 2x cubed minus 6x square, 2x cubed minus 6x square plus 8x plus k. Now it's time to put the value 2 and 9, because this 2 and 9 is also on the curve, lies on the curve. So value of y is 9, value of x is 2. We are going to put here 2 to the power cube minus 6 into 2 square plus 8 into 2 plus k. So now just find your value from here. 8 to the 16 minus 24 plus 16 plus k. So from here, if you calculate from there, you would get the value of k equals to 1. So our final expression for a, you can write dy by dx. From here, just put the value of k and write the expression, which is y equals to 2x cubed 2x cubed minus 6x square minus 6x square plus 8x plus 1. This is our expression of the first equation, express y in terms of x. So we here, if the expression is given d square y by dx square, then definitely we have, if you want to get the y expression, you need to integrate it 2 times. So we did the same here. So now the second question, show that the gradient of the curve never less than 2. How to do that? So we have the gradient expression, which is 6x square minus 12x plus 8. So if we differentiate that one, it gives us the double differentiation, which is 12x minus 2. So we would consider that value 12x minus 12 equals to 0 to get the minimum gradient. or maximum gradient from there. So x equals to, we got from here, x equals to 1, x equals to 1. So what is our gradient at that point? X equals to 1. So let me put in the expression dy by dx. This is our expression of dy by dx. 6 into 1 square minus 12 into 1 plus 8. It gives us 6 plus 8 minus 12, which is 2. So we can say this is our minimum value of that expression, which is 2. How we know this is the minimum value? If we differentiate it again, I mean d cube y by dx cube, third term differentiation, we got from there 12, which is a positive value. That's why x equals to dy by dx. This is a minimum value. So we can write the expression dy by dx is always greater than equals to 2, because it's a minimum value. This is the one way to show it. Another way we can express it, the expression of the gradient. Another way, expression of the gradient is written 6x squared minus 12x plus 8. It's completely a quadratic equation. We can complete the square here, make the complete the square. It gives us x squared minus 2 plus 8. Then the expression is 6 into x minus 1 whole square minus 6 plus 8. So from here you can write 6 into x minus 1 whole square plus 2. So here the minimum value is 2. So we also can write from here dy by dx is greater than equals to 2, because 2 is our minimum value. Hope you understood. You do not need to show the both way to showing the part of the b. You need only the one part of the you can use the completing the square. You also can use the differentiation to show that the gradient of the never less than 2 means it is always more than equals to 2. Hope you understood this question, how I did it. Question number 10 is written here. A curve has dy by dx expression is given, and the gradient of the normal at the point 2 and minus 1 is minus 1 by 3. If gradient of the normal is given there minus 1 by 3, so we can say the gradient of the tangent, we can write from there gradient gradient of tangent, which is positive 3. Make it reciprocal and multiply with a minus sign. So we know gradient of the tangent is actually the expression of dy by dx. Then you can write the expression k into at the point where the 2 is given. So k into 2 minus 5, which we can write 3. So from here 2k equals to 8. So k equals to, you can write 4. Now expression becomes dy by dx equals to 4x minus 5. This is the working, is the previous working now. I'll integrate on the right side, and it gives us 4x squared by 2 minus 5x plus c. So we can write one more line, which is 2x squared minus 5x plus c. Now put your value again 2 and minus 1, because it satisfies the equation. Minus 1 equals to 2 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus c. So minus 1 equals to 8 minus 10 plus c. From there we can write c equals to minus 1, this minus 2 plus 2 equals to c. We can get the c value equals to 1. Now our expression, find the equation of the curve, it is written there. So we can just write the c value here, and we can write the expression, which is y equals to 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. This is our curve expression here. Hope